Why nutrition matters. Our bodies depend on a wide range of nutrients, carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins, and minerals to function at their best. Each nutrient plays a unique role, and we need a balanced variety of foods to meet these needs. When we eat, our bodies break down food into usable nutrients. But balance matters. Too much or too little of any nutrient can impact how energized, focused, and healthy we feel. Carbohydrates, for example, are our primary energy source. Eating too many may lead to excess storage as fat, while eating too few can make us feel tired and sluggish. Proteins help repair tissues, support immune function, and build essential enzymes and hormones. Without enough protein, the body may break down muscle to compensate, leaving us weak or fatigued. Fats sometimes get a bad reputation, but they're crucial for insulation, energy, and the absorption of fat-soluble vitamins. Not getting enough healthy fats can lead to dry skin, brittle hair, and poor nutrient absorption. Vitamins and minerals support everything from energy production to immune health. Without them, we may face symptoms like fatigue, muscle cramps, or weakened immunity. So, nutrition isn't just about eating, it's about giving your body the tools it needs to thrive. Nutrition and mental well-being. We often associate good nutrition with physical health, but it also plays a major role in mental wellness. A nutrient-rich diet helps the brain function properly, supporting mood, energy, and cognitive abilities. Poor nutrition can make us more vulnerable to stress or low mood, while a balanced diet rich in whole foods can help lift our energy and support emotional well-being. This is a powerful reminder that nourishing the body is also a form of natural wellness for the mind. Simple changes, like adding more fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and healthy fats, can make a meaningful difference. Understanding social determinants of health. Let's shift gears. To truly understand health outcomes across societies, we need to look beyond individual choices and consider the social determinants of health. People around the world live in different environments, with varying levels of access to resources, education, healthcare, and supportive communities. These factors shape health in profound ways. For example, life expectancy can vary drastically between countries, or even between groups within a single country. Income, education level, occupation, and cultural conditions all influence health outcomes. The World Health Organization helps us understand these influences through a framework that divides determinants into two key categories. 1. Structural determinants. These include economic and political systems, social values, public policies. They shape the distribution of power, resources, and opportunities, essentially determining a person's socio-economic position. 2. Intermediary determinants. Influenced by structural factors, these include living conditions, access to nutritious foods, work environment, stress and social support, biological and behavioral factors. The quality of healthcare systems also plays a major role, defining the availability and accessibility of services people rely on. These determinants interact in complex ways. For instance, poor health can limit education or work opportunities, creating a cycle that affects communities for generations. Addressing these issues requires coordinated action from all sectors of society, from local initiatives to global policy efforts. The 6 essential nutrients your body needs. Now, let's return to practical health tips you can use every day. There are 6 essential nutrients the body must have to function properly, and we obtain all of them through food and fluids. 1. Carbohydrates, your body's preferred fuel source. Best sources: fruits, starchy vegetables, whole grains. Limiting heavily refined grains and added sugars supports long-term wellness. 2. Protein supports muscles, enzymes, hormones, and the immune system. Great options include fish, poultry, eggs, dairy beans, legumes, nuts, soy. 3. Fats necessary for cell structure, vitamin absorption, and long-lasting energy. Choose primarily nuts and seeds, olive oil and other healthy oils, fatty fish, avocados. Be mindful of foods high in trans fats and keep saturated fats in moderation. Micronutrients, vitamins plus minerals. These support growth, repair, immunity, and metabolism. Eating a colourful, varied diet is the easiest way to meet your needs. Fruits and veggies, vitamin C, potassium, magnesium. Fish and poultry, iron, zinc, B vitamins. A diverse plate offers a powerful foundation for daily healthcare. And finally, water might just be the most important nutrient of all. Since most of the body is made of water, staying hydrated is essential. Water is always the best choice, but beverages like milk, 100% fruit juice, and even coffee or tea can contribute. Just remember that caffeine affects people differently. Water-rich foods like melons and grapes can also help. And yes, your first sign of dehydration is usually thirst, so listen to your body. Final thoughts. If thinking about all these nutrients feels overwhelming, don't worry. Focus on eating a variety of whole, nutrient-rich foods every day. Small, consistent choices go a long way towards supporting both physical and mental well-being. If you found this wellness guide helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more natural wellness content and healthy lifestyle tips. Thanks for watching, and take great care of yourself.